अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 60, topic number 103. Page number 60. तदानीमाकाशे शब्दोऽभिव्यज्यते वायौ शब्दस्पर्शौ अग्नौ शब्दस्पर्शरूपाणि अप्सु शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसाः पृथिव्यां शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धाश्च Author Sadananda talking about the creation, Srishti Prakaranam. In this topic, first he has presented the subtle universe, how the subtle universe has come into existence. Sukshma Prapancha and Sukshma Sharirani. Sukshma Prapancha at macro level, Sukshma Sharirani at micro level. Samashti and Vyashti. Further, our scriptures talk about the gross form of creation. Why this gross form of creation Upanishad talks about? In subtle form of creation, nothing is available tangibly. In concrete form or tangibly, visibly, nothing is available. So, to interact with the world, to any activity to take, when it is possible, that sukshma, subtle, has to be converted into gross, sthulam. Sukshma means subtle, sthulam means gross, not grass, gross. Okay, grass and a pull. Gross, that which is tangibly available to your perception. Whatever is in subtle form, it cannot be transactable. Therefore, the Sukshma Shariram can function when it has a medium. Now only reflected consciousness only has taken place. RC only is Srishti over. But RM Srishti is required. Reflected medium Srishti is required. Without medium, you cannot function. So what you are seeing, the whole universe is nothing but medium. Just as the mirror is required to see the reflection. Reflection can be formed when there is a medium. Similarly, our body is a medium. It has to come into existence. So therefore, he is talking about that gross medium, reflected medium. Then only the reflected consciousness can transact. Not only that, reflected medium can be sentient when the reflected consciousness enters. Reflected medium by itself is jadam. So, how it has to come? All the Panchabhutas have to become grossified. Grossification, and the grossification means nothing but becoming sthulam. Becoming sthulam. How they become sthulam? By just sharing each other. Their guna, each element has got its own specific characteristics, its own guna, its own attribute. Akasha has got Shabda guna. So that Shabda guna of Akasha, it shares now. 50% of that Akasha keeps by itself, and one second half is divided into 418, no? 4 divisions. That 4 divisions are distributed to other 4 elements. Similarly, Vayu also keeps 50%, half portion Artham Swayameva, Artham, all other 4 elements. It shares. Like that, all the 5 elements, they share their portion 1/4, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. Or 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half, 12 and half. So in each element there is another elements, 12.5% is there. Because of that, what happens? He says their gunas are also shared. And the 12.5% of Akasha Shabda Guna given to Vayu, 12.5% given to Agni, 12.5% of Shabda Gunam given to Jalam, then Prithvi. Akasha has got only one guna. Now he says, Tadanim, at the time of creation, Akashe Shabdaha Abhivedyate. When it is in subtle form, there is no Shabda Guna manifesting. Once it becomes gross, the Shabda Guna Abhivedyate means manifest. Abhivenj dhatu, Abhivedyate. Then Vayu is the product of what? Akasha. So Vayu has got its own guna and borrowed guna. Its own guna is sparsha guna. So that sparsha you can feel. The Vayu when touches to your body, you can feel that sparsha. The touch. And it has borrowed the 12.5% of Akasha Shabda Guna. இப்போ வாயுல எத்தனை குணம் இருக்கு? Shabda and Sparsha. Shabda is borrowed guna, appanude gunam. Then its own characteristic what? Sparsha guna. Borrowed and its own Swayam guna. Rendu gunams are there. Shabdam Abhivedyate Akashe. Vayu Shabda Sparsha. Shabda and sound and Sparsha touch. Then next element is what? Agni, fire. Agnau, all are Saptami case. In 7th case, Agnau, Vayu, Akashe, all in Saptami, Ekavachanam. Agnau, Shabda Sparsha Rupaha. Rupani. Rupam is Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha. Rupam, Rupe, Rupani. Bahuvachanam. So, Rupani. How many? Shabda Guna of Akasha. Grandfather. Agni ki Akasha will become what? Grandfather. Who is father? Vayu is the father. So, grandfather's Shabda Guna borrows and Vayu's father's sparsha guna it borrows and its own guna, rupa guna. Mood gunams are there. That is why when the Agni element comes, only you see. Vayu you cannot see, Akasha you cannot see. Akasha you can not experience at all. Only sound dwara you can know. Then sparsha through Vayu, Agni has got three. Shabdam is there, sparsha is there, Totti Pata Theriyum, and Rupam also it has got. Three gunas. Then what? What is the fourth element? Apsu. Apsu adi saptami. Apsu waters. Nitya bahuvachanam. Apsu. Waters is nitya bahuvachanam. Eppume bahuvachanamla irukum. Waters. Apsu. In waters. What are all gunas are there? Great grandfathers Shabda guna. Grandfather's sparsha guna, father's rupa guna. Inna great grandfather nijma nenakadum chumma solren nan. See, that guna comes from Akasha, Agni, it comes. Karana gunaha karye anuvartante. What are the attributes or characteristics are hidden in that cause? They have to inhere. They have to pervade in effect, product. Since Jalam is the product of Agni, Agni's Rupa Guna also water takes. Water has got a Rupam, which container you pour, that shape of that container water takes. So water has got shape, Rupam. And water has got sparsha. If you touch, you can feel that. And water has got Shabda Gunam. Take it? Shabda Gunam. That's why Bhagavan came exactly. நீங்க class வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் வந்தார் பாருங்க. So, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, 4 gunam. Fourth element க்கு 4 gunam, third element க்கு 3 gunams, second element க்கு 2 gunams, first element க்கு 1 gunam. அது கணக்கு easy. இல்லையோ? Element number, gunas number are equal. What is the last one? Prithvi. Earth. Prithivyaha. Prithivyam. This is Saptami. Again, Ekavachanam. Prithivyam. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. So from Akasha it borrows Shabda Guna. From Vayu it borrows Sparsha Guna. From Agni it borrows Rupa Guna. From Apsu waters it borrows Rasa Guna. Rasam. Rasam is taste. Taste. Then it has got its own guna, Gandha Guna. So 5 attributes are there for earth element, Bhumi. Prithvi and Bhumi and Onuda. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we enter into topic number 104. Now, birth of lokas. All 14 lokas are going to come. Etebhyaha panchikritebhyaha bhutebhyaha bhurbhuvasvaha maharjanaha tapasatyam ityetan namakanam upari vidyamananam atala vitala sutalam rasatala talatalam mahatala patalam नामकानाम् अधो अधो विद्यमानानाम् लोकानाम् ब्रह्माण्डस्य तदन्तर्गत चतुर्विध स्थूल शरीराणाम् तदुचितानाम् अन्नपानादीनां च उत्पत्तिं भवति उत्पत्तिः भवति उत्पत्तिर्भवति. Now all lokas start. How this bhuloka has come? One of the loka, bhuhu, first namalokanda, bhuhu, and so Gayatri Japam when they are doing Om Bhuhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Suha, Om Maha, Om Jana, all these lokas they utter. So, etebhyaha panchikritebhyaha bhutebhyaha, all are in fourth case. Chaturthi vibhakti. Etebhyaha, from these. What are these from these? Panchikritebhyaha, from grossified 5 elements. Panchikritebhyaha, what are they? Bhutebhyaha, from 5 elements. From grossified, from these grossified 5 elements. Etebhyaha panchikritebhyaha bhutebhyaha. Grammar evada mukyam paarenga. Etebhyaha from these. Panchikritebhyaha, grossified 5 elements. From only one. From these grossified 5 elements. Everything from போடக்கூடாது. From these, from grossified, from 5 elements ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Even though it from there for everything, Englishல ஒரே from தான். If you little bit grammar knows, you enjoy more further. Okay. I hope you are enjoying. Okay. What lokas are born? First loka is bhuhu. Bhur bhuvaha is there. How you have to split? And the repam should become visarga. When you split, bhuhu, bhuloka, earth. Bhuvar loka, intermediary loka. Swaha, ante heaven, heavenly loka. Bhuvaha is intermediary lokas between heaven and earth. Antariksham anartham. Antariksham. Therefore, these all people who are going to the moon and all, nobody is going to heaven. Everybody goes to what? Intermediary loka, antariksham. They go to antariksham and come back. So, bhuhu, bhuvaha, intermediary loka, swaha means heaven, mahaha, maharloka, then janaha, another loka, janaloka, tapoloka, satyaloka, iti etat namakanam. These are the names of these 7 upper lokas. Upari, upari. Upari means upper lokas, higher level. You should not take first floor, second floor, third floor. Madre. Here upari, upari means qualitatively good. That is the meaning. Qualitatively good. Upari, upari, vidyamanana. What are those lokas existed? Vidyamanana means existed. With to exist. Vidyamanam. Vidyamanana. All these are all lokas exist. in the cosmos. Brahmandasya. In the fourth line, one word is there. Brahmandasya. Where are they? In this Brahmandam, it is there. All these 7 lokas, upper lokas, are in this Brahmanda. These are the 7 lokas in the Brahmanda. Anda means a shape of egg. When it has got a shape of egg, it is called Andam. Since this whole universe is nothing but Brahman existing, Brahman only appearing in name and form. So, Brahman who is appearing in the egg shape, Brahman is not egg. Brahman is in which is in egg shape manifesting as though. That's why it is called Brahmanda. From that Brahmanda only Pinda comes. Pinda means individual egg. That is Brahmanda, total cosmos with 7 upper lokas. So Satyaloka is called as Brahmaloka. So Upanishad, when we are studying, sometimes we call it as Brahmaloka, sometimes as Satyaloka, sometimes it can be called as Shivaloka, sometimes it can be called as Vishnuloka. So Satyalokam ani chunnanu, Brahmalokam chunnanu, Shivalokam ani chunnanu, Vishnulokam ani chunnanu. Ellame all are referring to what? 7th heaven. The 7th heaven. So, upari means they are qualitative good, superior. In those lokas, you get good body, no water problem, no bomb problem, no. In the terrorist militants problem won't be there, and no mosquitoes, no scarcity for anything. That's qualitative good. And they don't get all these problems, disease and all. They don't have any problems. Good ambience is available in Artham. That is why many rituals they perform to go to higher lokas. Ingella adulterated food. Angina perfect food. So that is what upari Artham. Good body, good water. Quality of sense organs are also good. Okay. Quality of intellect is also good. Quality of everything. Okay. You can include. Why they are all good? What is the reason? Why we have problem? Pakkam kuvam irukku. Anga matra amrutham, inga matra kuvam. Why this problem? They have done lot of punya. Ours is mixture. Punya and papa. They have done only punya. So punya, because of punya, they get all good, superior things. Upari. Then what about lower lokas? Atala. Lower lokas. Adhoha, adhahan. Here adhaha, you should not look ground, no? Underground buildings. Adhaha means here qualitatively not superior, qualitatively inferior. Opposite to all whatever I said. Less inferior sense organs, inferior knowledge, inferior bodies, inferior. Number 1 is Atala. Then number 2, Suta, Vitala. Talam means surface. Talam means surface. So Atala, it is one type of surface at one level, one qualitatively inferior level. So then Vitala, number 2, Sutala, 3, Rasatala, 4, Talatala, 5, Mahatala, 6, Patala, 7. So Patala is the inferior loka. Most inferior loka is Patalam. That's why if you do lot of papa, they used to say, Patalam Pidvan. To come to Patala, you have to cross one by one. One loka Tandidane Maramudium. One loka you have to cross. Similarly, if you do Punya Karma, you go to heaven, not to Brahma Loka. So, Swarga Loka is inferior than Brahma Loka. To go to Brahma Loka, you have to do much more Punya, Upasana. If you do Karma Yoga, Upasana, you go to Brahma Loka. If you do only good karmas for materialistic benefits, Swarga Lokam, only Swarga Lokam you go. If you don't do any good karmas, if you do only Papa Karma, those who are doing lot of Papa Karma, where they go? Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Tala Atala, Rasa Atala, Maha Atala, Patala. Appadi vidundruva. Step by step they will fall. Who knows? Who knows? Now you see all other beings, they are all what level? They are all Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, lizard, crocodile, all animals, birds are in lower lokas. See, the intellect is not there. Elephant do not know I am elephant. Tiger cannot know I am tiger. Buddhi illiye. That is the lower loka. Here the qualitatively less. Lizard, you see. And lizard think, it seems, when it is sticking to that roof, appa, whole roof is standing upon me and Nenekuma. And the lizard, it never know that, no, lizard. All are what? Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala. Some adella solla porar enna jeevarasigalella vara poradhu maha paapam pannada and the insects maadru varum pooch varum paranga po mala vanda udane and the small flies will come. How much time they live? You know that. Why? Adha talatala rasatala lokam. Okay, ippudu da vechukonga lokas, higher loka, upper loka na. Don't look up and down. Ingiye irukke. Horizontally, not vertically, horizontally, superior, inferior, you can see. After seeing all these lower lokas, adaha vidyamananam lokanam brahmandasya. Where are they? In Brahmanda. Of this Brahmanda. Tadantargata. All these lokas are in this Brahmanda only. So, Brahmandam, kapra mere munnu kadiyadu. In the Brahmandanlo, in the 14 lokas are there. Where are the 14 lokas? Here only. In this Brahmanda itself, 14 lokas are there. We are in which loka? Bhuloka. Ide etti paaka mudiyala. How to talk of other lokas? How can we see other lokas? Full bhulokame namakku paaka mudiyala illaya. Okay, sthula shariranam chaturvidha sthula shariranam, 4 types of chaturvidham na 4 types of 4 varieties of gross bodies. Sthula shariranam, gross bodies emerge in this universe. 4 types of gross bodies will come into existence. They are there in these lokas. Taduchitanam annapadinam cha. By creating gross bodies, pasiye vandudume udane. Vanda udane the baby enna பண்ணுவா? அழுந்துட்டே இருப்பா. என்ன பசி? First you come out என்னடா அண்ணா? பசி என்ன? That way, that calf also, that cow baby, once it born, no, immediately paalukkaga po. Pasi vandu. Adu uchita annapana. Human beings ki enna saapadano, enna venumo adu create panni. So every being ki all the crores of species ki adunude food. Taduchita. Taduchita. You cannot take idli sambar to that tiger. You cannot give something in dosa this and that to other animal. It has got its own food. It has got its own liquid form of taking. Uchita annapanadina. Adi kuda create panni. That's why when these people are going to moon and all, what they do? Nobody give Woodlands hotel and all. Not available there. No Woodland hotel in moon. They have to carry. They have to carry in what form? Capsule form. ஏன்னா தோசை இட்லி எல்லாம் கேரி பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ நீ பிரெட்டாவது கேரி பண்ணா பிரெட் ஜாமு பாட்டில் வெயிட்டு ஏற்கனவே யூஆர் வெயிட் தேர்ஃபோர் புட் இன் ஏ கேப்சூல் ஃபார்ம். அந்த கேப்சூல் போட்டுவான். அது போட்டாலும் எனர்ஜி வந்துடும். தட் மீன்ஸ் தட் உச்சித ஃபுட் இஸ் நாட் தேர் இன் சந்திரலோகா. உச்சித ஃபுட் கிவன் ஒன் ஹியர் only பூலோகா. Bhuloka only it is available. Uchita annapanadinam. Cha. Anna, food, and pana means liquid form of food or waters or anything. Utpattir bhavati. Creation has taken place or created. Beings are created. Lokas are created. And the lokas, according to that species are created. According to those species nature, swabhava, the food is also provided for them. That's why every species born along with its food. Bhagavan food create பண்ணியே எல்லாமே. எனக்கு ஃபுட்டே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Bhagavan has not given food, and we should not say. You do not know how to earn. Why you blame Bhagavan? Bhagavan has given food, but you do not know how to get it. You should know how to get it. That Balli should know how to get its food. Bhagavan created the food. பசி வரும்போது டக்குன்னு அங்கேயும் ஃபுட் இருக்கும். Therefore food இல்லைன்னு பகவான் நம்ம கிண்டல் பண்ணக்கூடாது, கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Wherever the jiva is there, next to him or her food is available. But often, many times, we do not know where it is available. If food is not available, Bhagavan is not a Bhagavan. After creating the jivas, so Bhagavan has provided, but it is your job to find out. Every species you see, it goes to its mother. It goes to its food. It knows what it has to eat. What a unique creation you see. It knows what it has to eat. Enna intelligence paaranga. And it knows where it is available also. Somehow it manages and struggle to get it. And the intelligence kuda kuduthirukkaru Bhagavan. Konja struggle pannanum. That's why mosquito take your blood. Bhagavan Swamiji says, pregnant mosquito, the female mosquito, take your own blood. Bhagavan created its food where? In your own body. Even parasites, bacteria, virus, where are they? In your own body. All worms are there in your body. It is food for them in your body. So therefore, all beings have their own food and artha. Okay, Uchitanam. Next topic we will read 105. 105. Chaturvidha sharirani tum Jarayujan Andajaham Svedajam Udbhijyakhyanim Jarayuja, Andaja, Svedaja, Udbhijya. What are those 4 varieties of jivas born? 4 types of bodies. Not jivas, 4 types of bodies. Chaturvidha means 4 types. Sharirani means bodies. Number 1 is Jarayuja. Jara means womb. Womb. Ja means born. Womb born bodies. Those bodies which are born from the mother's womb. Amma vaythilindi porakradella jarayujam. Now what we are? Jarayuja. Then andaja, which are born, egg born bodies. Bodies which are born from the egg. Andaja, the snake born from the egg. That hen, cock, all born from the egg. So andaja, anda means egg. Svedaja, moisture born bodies. Svedam means moisture. To sweat. That and all he is going to explain. I need not explain. So very, very clear, elaborately he explains. Svedaja, udbhijja. Ut means urdhva agamanam. Ut. Bhid means to break. By breaking, which comes up is called udbhijjam. That which bonds by breaking something comes out up is called udbhijjam. Ut means urdhva agamanam, coming up. Bid means by breaking. Ja means bond. That which bond by breaking and coming up. What are they? He is going to explain. Next topic, 106. Jarayujani Jarayubhyah jatani Manushya pashwadini Jarayujani, who are all born from that womb born, Jarayubhyaha jatani, which are all born from the womb are called Jarayujani. Bahuvachanam. Who are they? Manushyaha, Pashvaha. Human beings and animals. Animals, either wild animals or domestic animals, any animal is born from the mother's womb. Manushya Pashwadini. Adipada, some more. Wild animals, domestic animals, adiloni difference. So they are all born specific gestation, time is there. What is the time given? Doctor says 8th month, 9th month or 10th month period. And so week, this baby is going to born. Like that, there is a time fixation. Premature baby na kashtam. Over mature na kashtam. So all these are problems. So given a stipulated time also given. Gestation period also given. Womb born. எல்லாத்துக்குமே இருக்கு. இது இன்னும் first அதான் நம்ம பத்தி தான் சொல்றாரு first. Next one. So Jarayujani over. Now who are they? Andajas. 107. Andajani Andebhyah jatani Pakshi pannagadini Svedajani Svedebhyah jatani Yukamashakadini Udbhijjani Bhumim udbhidya Jatani Lata vrikshadini So second variety of bodies are those Andajani. He gives samasa. Andajani means Andebhyaha Jatani Andajani. Tritiya Tatpurusha samasa. Or Chaturdhi Tatpurusha. Andebhyaha Chaturdhi Tatpurusha. Or we can take it as not Chaturdhi, sorry. Panchami Tatpurusha. Panchami Tatpurusha samasa. Andebhyaha Jatani. Jatani. Oh, who are they? Pakshi Pannagadini. Pakshi means birds. I said yesterday why it is called Pakshi. Pakshaha asya asti iti Pakshi. That which has got wings. Pannaga means reptiles. Why they are all called Pannaga? Padbhyam na gacchati iti Pannagaha. Padbhyam na gacchati iti Pannagaha. Pambu. Pannaga Shayi. Whose name? Vishnu name. Pannaga Shayi. Pannaga is that Sesha. Adisesha. He is like reclining on that. Therefore, Pannaga Shayi. So, Pannaga means that which cannot walk by legs. They walk by only udaram, stomach. So, Pannaga, Adipatat, some more other snake, etc. Different varieties are there. Svedajani. Svedebhyaha Jatani Svedajani. This is Panchami Tatpurusha Samasam. Svedebhyaha, from the sweating or perspiration. When you get perspiration, lot of bacteria born. Yuka Mashakadini, all these mosquitoes born out of moisture. Mala vandada, all will come. From moisture they come. Lot of virus, lot of bacteria. Even yuka means on your hair. In your hair, lot of sweating is there. And the pain ani cholluva Telugula. Ungalku enna solluva hair la varudhu? Pain thana? Adu ellame yukam nu peru adukku. Yukam. Yuka Mashaka. Mashaka means mosquitoes. Mosquitoes type all sorts of moisture born. Even in your dabba, whatever you keep, sometime rava, godum pindi, ella moisture konja naal irundana, ippu mala vandunde irunna moisture stagnate aagum. Once moisture stagnate, nalla poochu vandudum. Kulu kulu kulu, you will filter it again, you cook it. You are not supposed to cook. Their eggs are all you are eating. Ellaru non-vegetarians da. Poochu vandadukku appuram thodakudadu actually. ஐயோ வேஸ்ட்டாக போய்டும்னு சொல்லி அது ஜல்லடை வச்சுட்டு அப்படியே எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவான். பண்ணக்கூடாது. அது எங்கேயாவது போட்டுன்னா அது அதர் பீயிங்ஸ் வில் ஈட். ஓகே, வை வி ஹாவ் டு ஈட் தம். அதர்ஸ் வை ஓல்டன் டேஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் தே யூஸ் டு கீப் எவ்ரி திங் இன் சன்லைட். அப்பப்போ அடிக்கடி சன்லைட்டில் வச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாமலே கூட அதில் பூச்சி இருக்கும், நிறைய இருக்கும். அது நல்ல பறக்கும்போது தான் நமக்கு தெரியும். ஒரு வாட்டி அது பார்த்தோட டப்பா ஓப்பன் பண்ண உடனே ஃப்ளை ஆகிடும். சம்டைம்ஸ் இட் கெட் விங்ஸ். நல்லா உட்கார்ந்து உள்ள விங்ஸ் வர வரைக்கும் இருந்து இருந்து they will fly like anything if you open the dabba. போய் நிறைய ஜீவாஸ் இருக்காங்க. Who are they? Svedajani. They're all born from them. How they are born, how they went inside, first thing. How they went inside, you do not know. Nobody knows. Therefore, all jivas are floating everywhere. Edam kadicha podum, they will take body. Edam kadicha podum, they take a body. That's all. Correct atmosphere, proper atmosphere, it is available, it takes body. That's Bhagavan's vibhuti. Nobody knows when the body comes out. வருமான சந்தேகம், ஒரு வாட்டி வராது, ஒரு வாட்டி வரும். All jivas are like that only. Not only human beings. All species. Very, very common. What about fourth one? Udbhijjani. Udbhijjani means bhumim udbhidya jatan. By breaking the earth, they come. Lata vrikshadini. All these creepers. Lata means creepers. Vrikshani means big trees. If you keep that seed, it breaks, that seed will break the earth and the sprout comes out. Therefore, they are called Udbhijjani. All species come under these four varieties. Either womb born, or egg born, or sweat born, moisture born, or breaking the earth and they are born. Like that, four varieties of bodies are there in this creation. Next topic, 110. So, with this 109, Sthula Bhuta Srishti is over. Sthula Prapancha Srishti over. Sthula Chaturvidha Sharirani Srishti is over. Chaturvidha Sthula Sharirani Srishti also over. Now we are born. Okay, we are ready. Last week varaku porakala. Ippo 6:17 varaku porakala. Ippo 6:18 ki we are born. Atrapi Chaturvidha Sakala Sthula Shariram Ekaneka Buddhi Vishayatayam Vanavad Jalashayavadvam Samashtihim Vrikshavad Jalavadvam Vyashtirapi Bhavati. Now medium has come. Medium is active because RC has entered. RC means reflected consciousness has entered. So RM became active, sentient. RM is sentient because of the pervasion of RC. Where is RC? RC is already there. Once RC is searching for the RM, once the RM has got, RM borrows the RC. RC borrowed sentiency from where? OC. So RC borrowed OC sentiency. RC becomes sentient. Once it gets a gross body, the inert body also become sentient. So this gross body is sentient because of RC. RC is because sentient because of OC. When I say I am here, I am mixture of what? RC plus OC plus RC plus RM. Whenever we say I am and channel mood irukke. OC, RC, R. OC means original consciousness. RC means reflected consciousness. RM means reflected medium. Without RM, RC cannot say I am. Without RC, RM cannot claim I am. Without OC, RC cannot claim I am. Without RM, OC also cannot talk. It cannot claim. So, three of them are interdependent. But here, one subtle side point, important point, author has not mentioned. For your information, I am giving. For existence, OC need not depend upon RC and RM. Important point. Very, very, very important. Note. OC can exist without depending upon RC and RM. That means OC, original consciousness, independently exists. For its existence, it need not depend upon RC and RM. But it depend upon its manifestation. OC depend upon RC and RM for its manifestation. Abhivyakti, manifestation தான் இது டிபெண்ட் ஆகும். Who? OC. அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி என்று சொல்றதுக்கு யாரும் வேணும், யாரும் வேணும், ஆர்சி வேணும். Otherwise OC cannot say what? Aham Brahmasmi. So OC has to thank whom? RC RM. Body and Siddhabhasa, RC reflected consciousness. Now RC and RM cannot be sentient, cannot exist, cannot manifest without OC. Therefore they are paratantraha. OC is swatantraha, it exists. Whereas RC, RM, they depend upon OC for their existence and for their manifestation also. Otherwise they cannot manifest, otherwise they cannot exist. Who gave existence? OC only gave the existence. So this is a side point. Note, whenever I repeat that point, you have to remember this. So atra api, in this also, now here in this 5 varieties of bodies, chaturvidha sakala sthula shariram ekam anekam. If 4 types of bodies, you can take vyashti rupataya and samashti rupataya. At a micro level you can take, macro level also you can take. Manushya jati, pashu jati, pakshi jati, adilla samashti. And vyashti also you can take. Manushya jati annappa ennadi samashti. ఒక వ్యక్తి అని சொன்னబోது ఇండివిజువల్, 1 person, వ్యష్టి. ஸோ வெஸ்டிலோனு ஆர்சி இருக்கு, வெஸ்டிக்கு ஆர்எம் இருக்கு, டோட்டல் லெவலில் ஆர்சி இருக்கு, ஆர்எம் இருக்கு. அது சமஷ்டி, இது வெஸ்டி. ஏகம் அநேகம். When I look at myself, I am ekam. When I look at all human beings, anekam. And who are all my friends? Womb born. All womb born are friends only, no? Pashu, there are 4-legged, I am 2-legged. Pashu are my colleagues, colleagues, and they are also womb born. All Pashu and Manushas put together samashti. Whole creation, all beings put together samashti. How you divide? Buddhi vishayataya. By individual intellect or mind, antakaranam, buddhi vishayataya. Ekam anekam. Eka buddhi, one buddhi enna veshti. Aneka buddhi enna samashti. Samashti. Tatha. Moreover, வனவத் ஜலாஷய வத்வா. அவர் இன்னும் விடலை அந்த வனவத்து ஜலாஷய. வனம் ஜலாஷயம் என்ன, வெஷ்டியா சமஷ்டியா? சமஷ்டி. ஃபாரஸ்ட், வாட்டர் ரிசர்வாயர், வாட்டர், சமஷ்டி. வெஷ்டி இஸ் வாட்? விருக்ஷவத் ஜலவத்வா. விருக்ஷ, சிங்கிள் விருக்ஷா யூ டேக், தட் இஸ் வெஷ்டி. Again veshtiraphi bhavati. All these 4 varieties of bodies, if you see, samashti ani sollala, veshti ani sollala. Okay, now we have got what? OC, RC, RM. OC, RC, RM. So all are there. இந்த அரைவ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் இவ்வளோ லேர்னிங். இதனால நான் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், யூ ஆர் ஓசி, யூ ஆர் ஆர்சி, யூ ஆர் ஆர்எம். எங்கே சுவாமினி ஒன்றும் காணும். இப்போ புரியுறது? யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டடி தட் பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட், தென் only you will accept. Now you agree? What? You are mixture of what? Triad, Triputi. What are they? OC plus RC plus R is equal to I am. I am ன்னு சொன்னோம்னா இது மூணு இருக்கணும். இந்த கிராஸ் பாடி போயிடுச்சுன்னா ஐ ஆம் சொல்ல முடியாது. So RC travels, OC will not travel. All rituals are meant for RC, not OC. All purifications, papa, punya, all for RC, not for OC. So if you want to come out of limitations, RC has got limitation, RM has got limitation. You come out, you have to own up OC, without which whole universe cannot exist. இதுதான் knowledge. பாருங்க, which college they will teach all these things, which university they will teach. இதுதான் புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது, தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம். Everybody study everything other than themselves. அவனை பத்தி அவன் படிக்க மாட்டான், எல்லா பத்தி படிக்கிறான். இது பட்டு இது தவற. Unfortunate, no? So that's why they struggle. If you study about yourself and study everything else, eka vijnanena sarva vijnanam bhavat. You are the master Ishvara, you are the Swami. Who you are? OC, Swami. I appear in all bodies, I sustain all bodies in me, and I dissolve all bodies in me. Who is me? OC. I am OC. So you can claim you are the Swami. Otherwise you are Asami. If you claim RM, RC, what? Asami. Now it is your job. This sorting out, claiming is your job. Claiming means what? Getting Brahma Jnana. Recognition. Only change, notional change. How this notional change will take, when it will take, how many decades it will take, nobody knows. That person only has to, உனக்கு பசி ஆறிட்டு எவ்வளோ தெரியும்னா அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியுமா அப்பாவுக்கு தெரியுமா? யார் சாப்பிட்றான்னு அவனுக்கு தான் தெரியும் இல்லையா? ஏன் அம்மாவுக்கு கூட தெரியாது. அம்மா வயிற்றுல வந்து பிறந்தாலும் கூட நம்ம அம்மாவுக்கு தெரியாது. போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா అని கேட்பா அம்மா. அது மாதிரி இந்த ஞானம் மனசோ ஆத்ம ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையான்னு யாருக்கு தெரியும்னா அந்த திருப்தி ஆனந்தம் ஆத்மன்யேவ ஆத்மனா துஷ்டஹ ஸ்தித பிரஜ்ஞஹ உச்யதே பராபக்தஹ உச்யதே குணாதீதஹ இது உச்யதே. அந்த நாளும் ஒந்துடாது. நான் குணாதீதனாகணும், பராபக்தனாகணும், ஸ்தித பிரஜ்ஞன் ஆகணும். என்னமோ காலக்ஷேபம் படிச்சுன்னு இருக்க, டிவி சீரியல் பார்த்துன்னு இருக்க, மேக்சின் படிச்சுன்னு இருக்க, வராது. இதல்ல 24 hours அதே சிந்தனை இருக்கணும். அப்போதான் அந்த ஞானம் வரும். அதனுடைய இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் தெரியணும். அதுக்காக யூ ஹேவ் டு ஸ்ட்ரைவ் ஃபார் தட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக். டைம் அப். We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.